Hello students, let's study the practice set 1.3. Before that, you have to revise make the revision of the similarity of a triangle, test of similarity of a triangle. So those I have explained you in the previous session. If you want to revise it again, then the link for that particular session given in the description box. You can go through it and you can revise it. Now we'll see the first example from the practice set 1.3. First example, in this they have said that two triangles are similar, and which two triangles are similar and what is the test of similarity and what is their correspondence. So here I can say that angle ABC is congruent with angle EDC. So B is congruent with D angle. And you can observe this angle, C angle, is common for the ABC triangle also and EDC triangle also. So angle ACB is congruent with angle ECD. So for this reason is given. For this reason is common angle. So therefore triangle ABC is similar with triangle EDC. By which test? Here two angles I have shown that those two are congruent. So by AA test. These two triangles are similar by AA test, and what is their correspondence? Angle ABC is corresponding with EDC. Means all vertices of ABC is corresponding with EDC. A is corresponding with E, B is corresponding with D, and C is corresponding with C. Second example, in this example they gave the two triangles PQR and LMN. They said that are the triangles in these figures are similar, and if yes, by which test? If you observe, here sides are given. Of PQR all three sides are given, LMN all three sides are given. So I'll check the condition for the sides. Now for this I'll take the ratio in triangle PQR and triangle LMN. I'll take the first side ratio PQ upon LM. PQ is 6, LMN is 3. If you divide it, if you reduce it, you will get 2 upon 1. Next sides ratio will be QR upon MN. QR is 8 and here it is 4. If you reduce it, you will get answer 2 upon 1. This is my first ratio, second ratio. Now the third, PR upon LN. PR is 10 and here it is 5. So again 2 and here 1. So 2 upon 1, here 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, all sides are in proportion. So PQ LN is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. So if all sides are in proportion, therefore what is the correspondence? P is corresponding with L, Q is corresponding with M, and R is corresponding with N. Students, in this similarity lesson, the correspondence is very important. If you make the mistakes in the correspondence, then these sides ratio would be wrong. And if these sides ratios would be wrong, then the example based on it, you will get the wrong answers. So here correspondence is very important. So I have written the sides ratios. Now we'll see what is the correspondence. By correspondence is PQR triangle is similar with triangle LMN. Now by which test? We have studied 3 tests. AAA test, which is also called as a AA test, SAS test and SSS test. So which test is applicable? SSS test. So therefore by SSS test, these two triangles are similar. Third example, PRQ and ABC triangle. So in this, PR and AC are the two poles which are perpendicular. So these are the perpendicular, and this is QR and BC. QR is the length of the shadow, BC is also length of the shadow. At the same time, the shadow cuts the equal angle. That means Q angle and B angle would be same. Now, if these two angles would be same and this is 90 degrees, so by AA test, these two triangles would be similar. Solution, triangle PQR is similar with triangle ABC. Just now I have said you that angle Q and B are congruent and angle R and C would be congruent. So by AA test, these two triangles would be similar. So you can write directly. So the triangle PQR is similar with triangle ABC. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So which sides are proportion? So PQ upon AB. PQ upon AB is equal to QR upon BC is equal to PR upon AC. PR upon AC. What is the reason? Corresponding sides of similar triangle. So corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now put the values PQ upon AB. We don't want it, but I'll write now PQ upon AB is equal to, what is the QR? QR is 6, BC is X is equal to PR is 4, AC is 8. Now we need this. We want to find out the value of X. So I'll take these two ratios. So 6 upon X is equal to 4 upon 8. These two are reducible by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 6 upon X is equal to 1 upon 2. Do the cross multiplication, you will get 12 is equal to X. So what is X? X is nothing but the shadow of this bigger pole. So therefore X is equal to 12. So therefore shadow of the pole, bigger pole, is greater. Fourth example. In this example, triangle ABC and perpendicular given things I have written there. To prove CPA is similar with CQB. After proving it, means first I have to prove these two triangles are similar. After proving it, they have given some values, and with the help of this value we have to find out the AC's value. So let's prove first CPA is and triangle CQB. So proof, triangle CPA and triangle CQB. What is given in this triangle? They gave AP is congruent with BC. That means in triangle CPA and BQC or CQB. So in this, these two angles are congruent. Why? Because both are 90 degree. So I'll write the angle CPA, this angle CPA, this 90 degree, and it is congruent with angle CQB. So this CQB. So CQB. Why these two angles are congruent? Because each 90 degree. So this is the reason. Each 90 degree. Now the next, they have given the triangles. For this C angle is congruent. Means from CPA also C is common, and for BQC also. So here angle C is congruent with angle C. What is the reason? Common angle. Now if these two angles are common and here also each 90 degree, So therefore triangle CPA is similar with triangle CQB. What is the reason for this? Two angles I have shown that these two angles are congruent. That means by AA test. These two triangles I have shown now, it is similar. If these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are in proportion. Means CP upon CQ is equal to PA upon QB is equal to CA upon CB. Put the values. What are the values is given? CP and CQ. These values are not given. I'll write as it is equal to PA is given 7, BQ is given 8, is equal to AC. We have to find out that and consider as X. CB is given 12. I want these two ratios, so I'll consider these two only. 7 upon 8 is equal to X upon 12. Transfer 12 on this side. So 7 upon 8 multiplied by 12 is equal to X. 8 and 12 are divisible by 4. 4 2s are and 4 3s are. 7 3s are 21 upon 2 is equal to X. Therefore, X value would be 21 upon 2. 21 upon 2. Therefore, X is equal to 10.5. What is 10.5? What is X? X means AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 10.5. Trapezium PQRS. PQ is parallel with SR, and here they have given this AR is equal to 5 times AP, AS is equal to 5 times AQ, and we have to prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. So proof, we'll start from the given. What is given? PQ. First observe, they have given AR is equal to AP, AS is equal to AQ, SR is equal to PQ. All these sides are related with these two triangles. So we'll consider these two triangles. So for that only, so we'll start from the given. What is given? AR is equal to 5 times AP. And they gave AS is equal to 5 times AQ. What is the reason for this? These are the given. AP, transfer it on this side, and 5 is nothing but, it doesn't have denominator means 1. Here also it doesn't have denominator means 1. AP, transfer it on this side, so here you will get the ratio AR. AP is in multiplication, it will come here, so AP is equal to 5 upon 1. Similarly, AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. So this is first equation. Therefore, I'll consider the triangle RSA and triangle PQA. In RSA and PQA, in these two triangles, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. This I have written from 1. Now I have got two sides are in proportion. Now if you observe, these two angles would be congruent, means these are the vertically opposite angle. Which angle? PAQ is congruent with angle RAS. Is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Now, two sides are in proportion and angle is congruent. Therefore, triangle RSA is similar with triangle PQA. By which test? By two sides and one angle, that means SAS test. If these two triangles are similar, then you can say that their corresponding sides would be in proportion. AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ is equal to SR upon QQ. And here from 1 we have got this value is 1, of these two value would be 1, so 5 upon 1 is equal to SR upon QQ. Do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer SR is equal to 5 times QQ. So just see what we have to prove. We have to prove it SR is equal to 5 times PQ. So therefore SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Hence it is proved. Students, same example you can solve by using the property of trapezium also. If it is trapezium, then their opposite sides, this side would be parallel, and here you can say that these are the alternate angles, it is congruent. Here also it is alternate angles, so these two triangles you can prove those are similar with the help of a AAA test also, by AA test also. Solve this in your notebook by using the different test. Sixth example, AB is parallel with CD and AB is equal to 20, DC is given 6, OB is 15, and we have to find out the OD. To find OD, first we'll prove these two triangles are similar. How to prove it? We are going to use the parallel sides test or theorem. So here solution. So in triangle CDO and triangle ABO, we can get it angle DOC, angle DOC and angle BOA congruent with angle BOA. What is it? CDOC and BOA. These are the vertically opposite angles. Now next angle, I'll consider these two angles. How to read this angle? These are the alternate angle. So CDO is congruent with this angle ABO. So what is it? These are the alternate angles. Now if these two angles are congruent, then we can say that triangle CDO is similar with triangle ABO by AA test. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So what are the corresponding sides? CD upon AB is equal to DO upon BO is equal to CO upon AO. These are corresponding sides of similar triangle. Put the values. CD is given 6, AB is given 20 is equal to DO is X, BO is 15, CO as it is and AO as it is. I am going to choose these two. So therefore 6 upon 20 is equal to X upon 15. These two are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 10s are. So I'll get 3 upon 10 is equal to X upon 15. Transfer 15 on this side. So therefore 3 upon 10 multiplied by 50 is equal to X. 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 5, 3 3s are 3 3s are 9 upon 2 is equal to X. Therefore X is equal to 4.5 units. What is X? X means OD's answer. So therefore OD is equal to 4.5 units. Seventh example. In this example, ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to prove that DE multiplied by BE is equal to CE multiplied by TE. Like this they have given to make you confused. But actually it is nothing but the suppose DE, if I transfer TE on this side, so I'll get one ratio. I transferred TE was on RHS, that I have transferred it on this side. So same way CE upon BE, I will transfer it on that side. Now it looks like a ratio. Here DE and CE are of these two triangles, DE and CE, and TE and BE are the sides of this triangle. So we want to prove these two triangles are similar. If we prove these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides would be in proportion. So here proof ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. If it is parallelogram, then its opposite sides are parallel. So AB is parallel with CD. If AB is parallel with CD, then AT is also parallel with CD. So AT is also parallel with CD. Why? Because A dash B dash T. A dash B dash T. B lies in between A and T. Now here we can use the concept of the parallel side. If these two sides are parallel, then and if I take the DT is a transversal, so angle T and angle D would be congruent. Why? Because these are the alternate angles. So angle BTE is congruent with angle CDE. So reason alternate angle. So in triangle TBE and triangle DCE, in this angle BTE is congruent with angle CDE. I have proved it. This is 1. So here I can write from 1. Now one more angle, this angle. These two angles would be congruent. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So angle BET is congruent with angle DEC. Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle TBE and is similar with triangle DCE. Students, please take a pause and tell me what is the test of a similarity. Write your answer in the comment box. Quick. Did you write the answer in the comment box? Okay. What is the test of similarity? Here by AA test. So these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So TB upon DC is equal to BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE. Just see which two ratios I needed. I need so TE and DE's ratio, that means this ratio, second ratio, last ratio, and CE, that means I need these two ratios. So if I consider BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE. Do the cross multiplication. After cross multiplying, I will get BE multiplied by DE is equal to TE multiplied by CE. Arrange it properly, you will get the what we have to prove it. Therefore, hence it is true. 8th example. Proof in triangle ABP and triangle CDP. So AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. It is given. Next, here these two angles would be congruent. That means angle APB is congruent with angle DPC. So here, what is the result? Vertically opposite angles. Students, please take once again a pause and tell me by which test these two triangles would be similar. So similarity of a test, just write it down in the comment box and check your answer. Please write fast. Okay, I hope you have given the answers in the comment box. So by which test these two triangle is similar? Check your answer. ABP is similar with triangle CDP. Two sides are in proportion and one angle. That means here by SAS, test of similarity. So therefore this I have proved it. So hence it is proved. Ninth example, in this triangle it is given BAC is congruent with ADC and we have to prove that CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. So here I'll consider the triangle. Proof. In triangle, I'll consider triangle BAC and triangle ADC. In this given angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC. It is given. Now students, observe it again, these two triangles, and tell me here one angle is congruent. It is a given. One more thing, it is common over here. So what is the common thing? You write your answers in the comment box. Pause the video and give your answers in the comment box. So here, which angle is common? This C angle. C angle is common. So here I can write ACB is congruent with angle ACD. So here, what is it? It is a common angle. Now, by which test these two triangles are similar? So, triangle BAC is similar with triangle ADC is by AA test. And if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So, which sides? BA upon AD is equal to AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. These and corresponding sides are of similar triangle. Now here which ratios are I needed? I need CB and CD. CB and CD. And here AC square, CA square. So that means these two. So I'll select these two ratios. Therefore AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. Cross multiplication, so AC multiplied by AC is equal to BC multiplied by CD. So what I will get it? AC square is equal to BC multiplied by BC. Arrange it properly. So CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. Hence it is true. In this way, we have completed the practice set 1.3. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.